Hello my matey people, welcome back again to our channel Commenters Analyzer TV. So my people, we don't carry another one come again. This one are between Sarah T-Boss and Kate ODL or ODL show. Sarah they give ODL show woto. My people, before we go to the audio, my amazing people, please, if you know so you never subscribe to this channel, please no fail to subscribe on your notification bell in case whenever we drop any video now receive the video. Please, my amazing people, subscription are free, okay? No fear say maybe as you they subscribe now they will take money from your phone or whatever. No, not free. Please support your sister, support somebody's mom to subscribe on this channel. Please subscribe for me, support me. Your one subscriber will take me a long way. Please not fail to subscribe, and also when you subscribe on your notification bell in case whenever I drop any video una will feel receive the video. My people, the way when say that these are s friend now. Whoa, my people, like say when two of them just be friend before, maybe she not like her or the girl first do something to her. Me I no understand though this presenter friends. Or presenter when this thing never happen to her bed, mona not make friends. So mona dey una own no. One man score is better. Oh. One man score is better. Oh. All these friends whether they see for social media. Now friend for mouth, not be friend for hearts. So my amazing people, will go on the audio of Sarah. Wanna hear what she talk before we go to the comment section. Okay, my amazing people, let's go to the audio. My people, before we go to the audio, wetin really cause issue now? E be like Kate come out come dey talk to Rita anyhow. From there na Sarah for verse say, why you go dey insult Rita? Say Rita marry Kokobiri or whatever. Why you go dey insult Rita? Your marriage when you do, e be like na yelala shrine you for do your own. Now Sarah, Rita go bongo with her husband, go do the normal thing. They do everything complete. So you went do your own for shrine, ayelala shrine. Why you come dey talk to Rita anyhow? You una know Sarah now say if you and Sarah na padi, now wetin I don't notice from Sarah body, say if you and Sarah na padi, if they curse you, Sarah go carry your matter for the head. You know they carry am for shoulder, you go carry am for head. Now wetin I notice about Sarah, now the kind of person when I see her say, now this kind of person na Sarah be. If you talk to anybody when she dey make friend with, Sarah go fight you. He go fight you till you confess say you no go ever talk to that person again. Una know when Sarah still dey fight for Kate that time, but wetin I no understand for inside say if they start this their issue, they no even they remember when two of them be padi that time, when two of them they gather beat one person that time. Now wetin they baffle me for this their friendship, all this their social media friendship. If issue just come up, they no they remember anything again. Wetin I will still tell Sarah for this video before we play the audio. Wetin I will still tell Sarah, me still try anything when this woman do you, may you forgive her, or let she come enter your this thing again, your trap. You feel set trap down. If she enter again, you feel backfire her. Everybody see say since when you dey talk to Kate never want to come out. Maybe she dey reason una friendship before, and maybe you get her secret also. She never want to come out for you. You still try, me you still consider on her friendship those days, some years ago. I beg Sarah. I know say you dey vex say maybe they come dey talk, she went no good, come still dey talk to Rita anyhow. You, Kate, may you still hide yourself. I'm allergic. Allergic wife, may you still hide yourself. So my amazing people will go on the video. Sarah audio of Sarah. So more listening to wetin she dey talk. Maybe una go understand wetin she dey talk before we go on the comment section, so that una will know the reason why people dey drop most comments when they drop. The bring am, we would like to see her.
Which kind of shrine is this one? The shrine when I say we manage in the
Sarah say na shrine. Rita. Sorry, not be Rita. Say na shrine her ex-friend, her ex-bestie for do marriage. That is Kate. But the shrine she go. Sarah, you go that shrine that time now. Now even made the party sweet that period. You go. So not judge her, okay? Not judge her. Make you try forgive her. And make Kate say still dey hide herself. Make you still hide yourself. No dey chook mouth when you know say when you do your party. Now how many people we see for the party? You're not supposed to still come out come still dey mock person. See Rita party, she go bongo. If na only money when she take buy ticket go bongo. Hey, e reach to respect. She put respect. She no send money from here go bongo. She no send money go bongo. She go bongo by herself. If una know wetin dem dey call bongo, she go Nigeria by herself with her man. Una dey say Zimbabwe, una dey call her kokobiri. Kokobiri put respect. Una when dey marry Hausa, dey marry Fulani. Now when they marry Hausa never put respect, follow na go na village. Go na country. So my people, more they respect everybody. Anything when people feel like to do, make them do am. All this one are bully said don't too much. So my people go play the audio. More continue.
Traditional marriage. Is this not Isopu? Or na Isopu? My people, not be juju be this. This one na the cake wey person.
When I say the cake.
The
cake.
Traditional marriage I will know. Traditional marriage I will know. Now the Zobo cake is this.
When I see the cake.
Wait on apple. Apple na my mama. Hey.
Sarah, may Sarah still remember say that ebo, that cake when be ebo, all of them eat on that day. I bet person they talk most still try to the reason. No, that reason on our friendship, that time on a day in good time together.
Now be juju be this. Who they call this cake for tradition? Hey, Salo, nothing. I go hospital for this cake, oh.
Okay, so you even eat them. So, Sarah Timbot, you even eat the cake, juju cake.
I feel cake financial. What oh? Which place is this one? Oh no, which kind of shrine is this one? I'm a shrine now. Lena Kere. This one not be shrine, the sister. I shrine new house. The first time they find new house, what if they want the new house in over there? You might be able to the new one.
Now see that igwe, that is Ekia queen. Now they talk to so my people more not listen. They're not disturbing.
Almost 1 million euro. Because when they don't want you say you go buy second hand, that's all this says you not buy a rate with J. You go in second hand, you are wearing, but you are not wearing a web then you a poster already new one, because I want 1 year, already poster, and then you have a Silani. Don't leave that one, that one not the best. You know the best. What do I must
Everybody they live on credit now. All big man they live on credit. Especially this Europe. Many people they live on credit. Nobody they can't cash money take go buy house for this Europe. We are all living on credit. So is Egbe, you say you won't buy a house with the wait, we won't still see your house. So that is Ekia queen. Now what you say that they talk now, my people. Jesus.
Very soon I begin to take 1 year. Nothing. Amanda, what? When are you going to buy? Poster. Very dirty poster like that. Then know why I've been in the manner of every year. It's not saying what I will last. You know, so I mean they motivate you now. More motivate you one more fear you why we I buy on the rule here. No, I just leave posters is there. No, you just relax. Cause that I see they me forget to.
I bet Sarah, may you leave Zegbe just in newborn. I bet she need to relax and take care of her children. You try, may you forgive Izegbe because waiting and see for Ekia queen or that period now because of her belle. You know, say most people if they get belle, some they misbehave, some go date their normal self. So Izegbe will make her misbehave. So you go try, may you forgive Izegbe. Everybody go see notice and say, since when this matter, since when Izegbe come born, that is Ekia queen, since when Ekia queen born, Ekia queen not come be as a be before when they chook mat put for matter when no concern and she can't change for una to know say wetin make her really dey do wetin she dey do that time na because of belle when she get. So as baby don come down now, everybody see the difference in her. Say Izegbe no dey carry, that is Ekia queen no dey carry come mat again, come dey chook mat for matter when they no call her. I beg everybody when she offend that time, I mean they beg now for her behalf, mo try, mo forgive her. She don't change. Sarah, may you still try, may you forgive her. You know, say Izegbe na your paddy that time. You and Izegbe na be paddy. I beg. Sarah T-Boss, our love.
That credit when you want it as so. You want that credit, you want buy since last year. You take care of buy second hand though.
Now people, who shall come be second hand house again? Who shall come be second hand house again? Una don't ever see second hand house. Now say that matter for the year or more. Say he do cake. The cake na is double cake oh. Cake where they do sacrifice. Na second hand cloth. Na say cakes they wear. Say your mat say that to get mat just. So my people, more go on the comment section, more hear wetin people talk for the comment section. In case una no know in case una never dey go on the comment section before, na just go dey listen to people talk. My people, more learn comment section the kind party wey dey there, the kind enjoyment wey dey comment section, e too much. So my people, more learn how to they read the little one wey we sabi read on comment section. Okay, the real reggae na comment section it is. So my people, let's go on the comment section. So our first commenter come say they talk to Sarah. He say make una still dey remember old time sake and time when una take play na wetin dey vex me for una social media friendship be this. Even the Rita when you dey support, so you don first insult her and her children before. Abeg commenter, Rita don forgive Sarah. Sarah insult Rita. Sarah insult Rita because of Kate. So Rita don't forgive Sarah. So let's take our next comment. This one say I dislike this girl with passion. Not dislike her because you don't know her. Our next commenter say no friend on social media. If they love and trust you, they will invite you for their wedding or tell you say they won't do wedding. Yes, so yeah. If they love and trust you, yes, that trust matters a lot. Not be love. You can love somebody and you not trust that person. You know, you fit come my house now because I love you. I invite you come my house. Now you can't go talk for social media as my house be, as we take dey eat. That is very bad. Hmm? So the person can't reply her and say her mama is worst. Now wow. So my amazing people, we have come to the end of today's video. My people, una no fail to drop una comment. Wetin una think about this Sarah and Kate issue? Sarah dey give Kate woto. E dey cause Kate dey talk everything wey you see for Kate house. But Kate never wan dey. I dey talk now. I just dey here for the truth. Kate is not my person. I no dey watch her video. I no dey watch her video. I no like her. No be say I hate her. I no hate her. I no like her. Sarah when they talk so, I love Sarah so much. I love Sarah. My spirit catch Sarah. I never want to see her for grant. I just see her for social media and her doings. I love Sarah. So Sarah they always dey cause Kate. All the time you dey cause Kate. Kate never want to answer you. Still try make you rest for the matter. Because as you dey cause am all the time, dey tell her life history, as her mama take do igbeagia, as she say also do igbeagia, as she take do duduvaga for her husband house, for her oyibo man house. She never want dey come tell you anything. Maybe not because she no know anything when she go taste it bulala you, because na saga dey lie for saga. But maybe I believe say she dey consider una friendship una make that year. So Sarah, make you try forgive Kate. Anything when Kate do you, make you try forgive her. If she come for you again, go for her. But everybody dey see say since when you dey talk to Kate no want dey talk to you. Me I no know because, excuse me, I don't know because I know they follow Kate. And bloggers, I for say maybe I will say for any bloggers hand now. Bloggers know they carry Kate's video. So you see, I don't know if Kate answer you or she not answer you, but just try me you forgive her. For Ekia queen, forgive Ekia queen. You see say since when Ekia queen don't born, she don't put to bed. She not gonna dey misbehave again. She can't come back to her normal self. She know the choke mouth put for person matter when not concern her again. My people, what you not think about this video? Mona not fail to drop on a comment. Tell me what you not think about this video. We would like to see what you not think about this video. Please, my amazing people, not fail to share this video and also like this video if you like what we dey talk. And if you like our channel, the little one when we dey fit talk for this channel, please not fail to subscribe to support me, and also on your notification bell in case whenever I drop any video, now receive my video. God bless you, my amazing people. You guys are so amazing. You guys are so amazing. God bless you. See you on my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.